Hi there, welcome to this presentation on checked exceptions inside the JShell. So in this presentation, I'm going to make use of I/O or input-output to demonstrate how checked exceptions work inside the JShell. Before I get started, let me list the files in my current directory. And as you can see, there are none. Then I'm going to go ahead and fire up the JShell. And in the previous presentation, we saw some convenient collection factory methods that I'll make use of today. So I'm going to make here a list of names. Let's have some names, say Sarah, Bob, Paul, and Jane. And I'm going to save these names to a variable called names. Now if someone comes to me and says, hey, could you save these names to a text file? I would be like, do you really want me to save them to a text file? And they might wonder, hey, why the hesitation? Well, it turns out in Java, every time we have to deal with I/O, we have this I/O exception that we have to handle. And in production, this makes perfect sense. We want to handle it properly. But when we do these quick little tasks or experiments, the truth is we really don't care. So let's take a look at how this works in the JShell. So I'm going to make a path to a file, and I'm going to say paths.get names.txt and save this to a variable called namesPath. And then I'm going to say files.createFile namesPath. And there you go. That's all it took to create a file. Now, just to make sure that this worked, I'm going to go ahead and inspect the files in my current directory, and there you can see the names file. So if I inspect the contents, you can see there are none. So let's write to it. But before we write to it, I just want to show you that the create file method indeed does have a throws IO exception in its signature, but we didn't have to handle it. That's nice, isn't it? So let's go ahead and write the names we have to our file. So I'm going to say files.write namesPath names. And again, and just to double check that the write method indeed does throw a checked exception, you can see here, throws IO exception. So let's jump out of the JShell, list the files, and open the file. And there you can see all our names are there. That's all I have for this presentation. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.